Building an email list is one of the most powerful ways to grow your online business, and GetResponse makes it easier than ever to do that. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your current strategy, today I'm going to show you how to build an email list with GetResponse, step by step. Stick around because I'll also share some surprising alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals. First things first, when you sign up for GetResponse, you'll be prompted to set up your account. It's simple, just fill in your basic details and you're good to go. The next thing you want to do is create your first list. GetResponse makes this easy through their Lists feature. A list is just a group of email addresses, and you'll need to organize your subscribers. If you've already got a list from another platform, you can import it directly into GetResponse. Now, let's talk about how to grow that list. The key here is creating an opt-in form. GetResponse gives you plenty of options for creating forms that you can embed on your website or landing page. The fourth thing to do is to integrate this form with your website. You'll want your visitors to sign up easily, and GetResponse offers a simple drag-and-drop editor to customize your form's appearance. You can even set up a series of automated welcome emails to send to new subscribers, which is great for engagement. Next thing, let's dive into the landing page feature. This is where you can create dedicated pages just to capture leads. What's great about GetResponse is that it offers pre-designed templates, so you don't need to be a designer to create high-converting landing pages. You can also track how these pages are performing using built-in analytics. Another important feature you'll want to use is the email marketing automation. This lets you send automated email campaigns based on specific triggers, like when someone subscribes to your list or clicks on a particular link. This is a game changer for saving time while keeping your audience engaged. The next thing, GetResponse also has an excellent A/B testing feature. This allows you to test different versions of your emails or landing pages to see which one performs better. It's all about optimization, and A/B testing is essential if you want to improve your conversion rates over time. Now, I'll be honest with you. While GetResponse does a lot of things well, it's not the only player in the market. Some might find our interface a bit overwhelming, especially if you're new to email marketing. Plus, there are other tools that can better serve certain goals, like building highly targeted email sequences or integrating with a wider range of CRMs. Keep in mind that pricing plans can quickly get expensive as you grow your list, so it's important to consider your long-term needs. Finally, before we wrap up, I want to mention that I have an exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best possible free trial and some extended benefits from GetResponse. But wait, I've also got some alternatives that may be a better fit depending on your specific needs, and they come with free trials too. These alternatives might actually serve your goal of building an email list even more effectively. Check the links in the description for all the details on these offers, and make sure to sign up for the free trial of GetResponse through our link to get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Thanks for watching! If you're serious about building a profitable email list, don't miss out on these great tools and offers.